Hello everyone, this is Deepali and you are watching my channel English with Deepali. Today we will talk about conditional tenses, and this sentence talks about the situations, real life situations, imaginary situation and future prediction. I will also provide the uses, examples, and you will understand how to use it into your real life conversations. So without any further ado, let's get into video. Zero conditional tense, we use it for fact and general truth. The formula of this is if plus present tense plus present tense. For example, if it rains today, I will stay home. If you hit ice, it melt. If I wake up early, I feel fresh. So these are the example of zero conditional tense. First conditional tense, we use it for real and possible future. Formula if plus present simple plus will plus base form. For example, if I study hard, I will pass the exam. If I read, I will score good marks. The situation is possible in the future. Second conditional, we use it for imaginary and unreal situations. Formula if plus simple past plus would plus base form. Example, if I were rich, I would travel the world. If I had more time, I would learn new skills. This is not real now, but we use it for imagination. Extra tips, we always use were instead of was. Third conditional tense, we use it for unreal past. We use this tense that to express that never had happened in past. We just imagine it. Formula if had plus V3 would have plus V3. For example, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exam. If she would have left early, she would have caught the train. We use this tense for the time is past, but we can't change it now. Okay, now we are going to review all the tenses. We have learned 4 conditional tenses. So now we are going to review 4 conditional tenses. Zero conditional, first conditional, second conditional and third conditional. So now we are going to review entire conditional tenses. First we have zero conditional, it means real and truth, and second was first conditional, and here now we talk about real future possibilities, and second condition is about imaginary future situations, and third condition is about unreal past that you can't change. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends and family. Practice these English sentences daily and you will improve. And see you in next video. Till then, bye bye.